Hey, to add your fingerprint into the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, you have to just go into the settings. You have to actually start from this. There we go. Now you have to scroll down a little bit until you locate the lock screen. So open it and now select screen lock type. First of all, you have to set this classic lock so you can get this PIN, pattern or password. After you set it up, you can go into the fingerprint and click on the switcher. Now you have to click continue, tap to register, and all you have to do is just to put your finger right here and put it on this put it on this icon, hold it and wait until the circle fulfill with the green color. So as you can see, it's not working always, but you have to actually rotate your fingerprint and scan every arena. It's actually really hard to add this finger. Honestly, there's actually the first time that I've got this amount of missing tries. I mean unsuccessful tries when I try to scan my fingerprint, but we have to just keep rotating our finger until it will hit the 100%. And also we can add another fingerprint if you want, so you have to click here, but in my case I'm using this one, so I'm not gonna do this. After this we have to click done, tap done one more time, and now when I just click here to lock my screen, I can unlock, and that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.